I've been seeing the Baker Brother commercials on television for several years now. And we had an issue regarding our heating and air conditioning where we were not getting cold air through the system. So I decided that it would be good to call Baker Brothers to come out and take a look and see what was going on. The team that came out did an initial assessment. They looked at the cooling system, they looked at the indoor unit and the outdoor unit. They assessed the situation. Today, under the COVID environment, they came in, they were very prepared for that. They wore gloves, they had their masks on. They let me know what they were going to be doing, and it was all a complete touchless process. After evaluating our system, they gave me different options to go through, and I decided to replace my entire heating and air conditioning system with Baker Brothers. That was very efficient, very effective. They gave me quote within 6 hours. So it was a tremendous thing for them to be able to do that quickly for me, especially since summer was coming and it was going to be getting hot. I was very comfortable with the entire process. Even the installation team came in. They were well prepared with COVID. They took care of everything. They had gloves and masks on. They laid blankets down to make sure that the floors were not impacted. They wore boots throughout the house. Very professional, kept me appraised of the status along the way. And I liked everything about the entire purchase process and installation. So I highly recommend Baker Brothers to all my family and friends. They're great service.